Hi everyone, I'm Jessie. In this video I show you how to make a paneled headboard by using just cardboard. I will not be using any wood or screws and nails. First plan the size you want and get some long cardboards. Then cut it into small pieces like I show here. Here I'm marking the curved shapes on top of each cardboard piece and cut it out. Then I am cutting a fabric which is a bit more than the size of the cardboard. It is a stretchy velvet fabric. Then I use some regular cushion fiber, place it on top, and we need to cover it with fabric. Use the hot glue to attach it to the cardboard. Secure it well. If you think the cardboard will get damp and moisture in your house, you can cover the entire reverse side with waterproof tape. I have done like that in my recent project. It will make it more durable. Then I am attaching all the panels into two long cardboard pieces like I am showing here. If you are using the same, just follow the instructions so that you can get a 100% best result. It looks absolutely beautiful and I love the look of it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share the video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time, bye bye.